Anytime you are going to have three fractions, you have to perform the operation from the left side to the right side. In other words, you are going to subtract from the first fraction, second fraction, and from the result of these two, you will subtract the third fraction. Now, we have to find a common denominator. Common denominator for this problem is going to be 12. Why? Because I have 4 times 3, and this is 12. 12 is divisible also by 2. So that's why this is perfect denominator for my problem. I have 45 over 4, and I have 8 over 3, and I have 1 over 2. We said common denominator is 12. Because 12 is divisible by 4, is divisible by 3, and is divisible by 2. By what number I have to multiply 4 to get 12? I have to multiply by 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do in the numerator, so times 3. 45 times 3 is 135. By what number I have to multiply 3 to get 12? I have to multiply by 4. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. 8 times 4 is 32. By what number I have to multiply 2 to get 12? I have to multiply by 6. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. Times 6. That's why I have 6 over here. Now I'm going to copy all equivalent fractions which I just found into my equation. So I have 135 over 12 minus 32 over 12 minus 6 over 12. As I said, we have to first subtract from 135, 32. 135 minus 32 is 103. 103 minus 6 is 97. 97 over 12. Now, this is the example of the improper fraction. Okay? Before we are going to convert improper fraction to the mixed number, check if we can reduce this fraction. As you can see, we do not have any common factor for the numerator and the denominator. That's why I'm going to perform just the division. So I have 97 divided by 12 is 8. 8 times 12 is 96 minus 97 minus 96 is 1. So my answer is 8 and 1 over 12, where the top number goes to the front, the remainder goes to the numerator, and the divisor goes to the denominator. So the answer for my problem is 8 and 1 over 12.